A complete low-carb diet guide for beginners. Low-carb eating has some serious staying power in the diet world. Check out this guide. If you're curious about how this eating approach may aid diabetes management, weight loss, and other purported health benefits, here are a handful you may consider. Keto diet. This is the strictest plan, requiring you to eat less than 50 g of carbs per day and up your fat intake significantly. You'll eat a moderate amount of protein. This is a popular weight loss diet. Traditional low carb. This approach includes 50 to 100 grams of carbs per day. This is where many people start, because it's less restrictive than a keto diet meal plan but can still deliver results. Paleo diet. Just because the paleo diet eliminates grains doesn't mean it's low in carbs, especially if you eat root veggies like sweet potatoes and fruit, but it can be followed this way. A detailed low-carb diet food list. Foods to eat. Non-starchy vegetables, zucchini 4 g carbs per cup. Cabbage 5 g carbs per cup. Broccoli 6 g carbs per cup. Brussels sprouts 8 g carbs per cup. Leafy greens like spinach, for example, at 1 gram carbs per cup. And tomatoes 7 g carbs per cup. Meat, such as chicken, beef, pork, and lamb og carbs per 3 ounces Oz. Fish and seafood, like shrimp og carbs per 3 ounces. Eggs og carbs per egg. Olives to g carbs for 10 small olives. Oil, such as canola oil, olive oil, and coconut oil og carbs per tablespoon tsp. Butter og carbs per tsp. Cream oat 4 g carbs per tsp. Cottage cheese 10 g carbs per 1 cup, low fat. Nuts, like almonds 6 g carbs per 1 ounce. Berries, like raspberries 15 g carbs per 1 cup. Melon, like cantaloupe 13 g carbs per 1 cup. Dark chocolate 13 g carbs per 1 ounce. Bread, oatmeal, pasta, milk, beans and lentils. Starchy vegetables, like sweet potatoes and potatoes. Though these may be okay in moderation depending on your carb goal, but watch the portions. High sugar foods such as cake, ice cream, candy, and soda. Here's a mock meal plan for a low-carb diet to give you an idea of how it looks to eat this way. Day 1. Breakfast veggie omelet topped with avocado. Lunch burrito bowl no rice or beans with extra fajita veggies. Extra meat of choice, cheese, guacamole, and salsa. Dinner grilled chicken breast with mixed roasted vegetables, broccoli or cauliflower. And a half of a sweet potato with butter. Snack option mixed berries with a dollop of almond butter. Day 2. Breakfast chia seed pudding topped with nuts and melon. Lunch arugula salad with grilled salmon. Dinner chicken or steak tacos in lettuce wraps. Side salad with tomatoes and vinaigrette. Snack option snack pack of olives, plus raw veggies. Day 3. Breakfast eggs with sautéed green spinach or kale. Strawberries or blueberries topped with Greek yogurt and chopped nuts. Lunch chicken and vegetable soup without rice or noodles. Dinner shrimp and vegetable stir-fry over cauliflower rice. Snack option epic bar with strips of cucumber and red pepper.